What if I told you that 82% of cars never see 200,000 miles, yet mine just rolled over 520,000 without ever touching the engine internals? And no, it wasn't some magic oil or a gentle grandma driver. The real destroyers are the everyday habits the car companies quietly hope you keep making. Today, I'm handing you 17 hard-hitting, mechanic-approved, data-backed longevity tricks that can easily carry your car past 700,000 miles, running smoother and stronger than most new ones off the lot. And whatever you do, lock in habit number 5. It single-handedly prevents the most expensive breakdown you'll ever face. Let's dive straight in. Trick number 17, the Smart 3K oil rule. Most owners follow the 7,000 or even 10,000 mile interval printed in the manual, but that's built for perfect lab conditions and warranty marketing, not your real life. Dirty, broken down oil stops protecting bearings, chains, and cylinder walls long before those big numbers. AAA testing proved that stretching changes beyond 5,000 miles in normal driving can increase engine wear by up to 40%. Short trips, traffic, heat, dust all make it worse. The fix is simple and non-negotiable. High-quality, full synthetic oil changed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, plus a new filter every single time. Adjust shorter in hot climates, a touch longer only if you're doing pure highway miles in mild weather. This one habit alone stops 90% of the sludge and scoring that kills high-mileage engines. Do it religiously, because the next one protects the second most expensive part in your car. Trick number 16, the gearbox lifesaver routine. Everyone's heard lifetime fluid in modern transmissions, but lifetime really means until the warranty runs out. Heat is the silent assassin. Every 20 degrees rise above normal cuts fluid life in half. More than 60% of transmission failures are caused by overheated oxidized fluid, not bad parts. Change your ATF every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, no exceptions. Towing, city stop and go, or hot climates, do it on the early side. If the fluid's been ignored for years, skip the aggressive power flush and do multiple gentle drain and fills instead. Fresh fluid keeps clutches happy, seals soft, and shifts buttery smooth for hundreds of thousands of miles. Trick number 15, the silent fuel system keeper. Topping off the tank after the pump clicks off feels like you're getting a few free cents, but you're actually pouring gasoline straight into the evaporative emissions canister. That charcoal unit gets soaked, crumbles, and sends particles into your fuel lines and injectors. Next thing you know, rough idle, hard starts, fuel smell, check engine light, and a repair bill that starts at $500 and climbs fast. The EPA warns against it for a reason. Stop at the first click every time. Your evap system stays dry, your wallet stays full. Trick number 14, the engine mount death test. If your engine rocks or thumps hard when you shift into drive or reverse, your mounts are failing. Bad mounts don't just vibrate, they transfer destructive shock loads to the transmission, axles, exhaust, and hoses. A quick home test: foot firmly on the brake, shift from park to drive, then to reverse. If the whole car shudders or the engine lunges more than an inch or two, replace the mounts now. A couple $100 today prevents thousands in downstream damage tomorrow. Trick number 13, the smart warm-up routine. Old school advice says idle for 5 or 10 minutes in the cold. Modern engines hate that. Long idling washes fuel past the rings, dilutes your oil, and dramatically increases cylinder wear. The U.S. Department of Energy found extended idling can boost cold start wear by up to 2/3. The right way: start the car, wait 20 to 30 seconds for oil pressure to build, then drive away gently. The engine warms up faster, burns cleaner, and lasts longer. You'll notice fewer cold start rattles and better fuel economy in winter almost immediately. Trick number 12, coolant truth check. Coolant doesn't last forever, no matter what the 100,000-mile label claims. Over time, it turns acidic and starts eating head gaskets, water pumps, and radiators from the inside. A quick visual check tells the story. Healthy coolant is bright and clear. If it looks brown, rusty, or full of flakes, flush the entire system now. Replace with the correct spec every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Staying ahead of coolant degradation prevents the vast majority of overheating disasters and blown head gaskets. Thanks for sticking with me this far. You're already ahead of 95% of drivers. If you're finding value, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Trick number 11, fuel that fights back. cheap off-brand gas lacks the detergent packages needed to keep modern direct injection engines clean. AAA testing showed non-top-tier fuel builds 19 times more intake valve carbon in just a few thousand miles. That carbon robs power, hurts mileage, and shortens engine life. Stick to top-tier stations whenever possible and run a quality fuel system cleaner every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Your throttle response and idle will thank you. Trick number 10, the Shift Smart ritual. Slamming the shifter, rushing into reverse, or shifting into park while still rolling sends massive shock loads through the transmission. Over time, those micro impacts destroy synchros, clutch packs, and mounts. Come to a complete stop, pause half a second, then shift. Gentle habits are why so many Hondas and Toyotas quietly pass 300,000 miles without drama. Trick number 9, carbon clean revival. Direct injection engines never wash their intake valves with fuel like older designs did, so carbon builds fast. By 50,000 miles, you can lose 10% of your power and efficiency. A professional carbon cleaning, walnut blasting, or chemical service every 50,000 to 70,000 miles restores lost performance and prevents misfires. If your idle is getting rough or acceleration feels flat, this is usually the fix. Trick number 8, parking power protector. Parking on any slope and just throwing it in P lets the full weight of the car rest on a tiny metal paw inside the transmission. Over years, that paw wears out and snaps. Hello, $1,000 to $1,500 repair. Always apply the parking brake first, let the car settle, then shift to park. Takes 3 extra seconds and cuts paw stress by up to 70%. Trick number 7, power line protection. Corroded battery terminals and loose ground cables cause half of the mystery electrical problems mechanics see. Clean the terminals, tighten everything, and add dielectric grease every oil change. Stable voltage protects your alternator, starter, and electronics for years longer. Trick number 6, throttle reset magic. After a battery disconnect or years of stop-and-go driving, the throttle body and ECU can get confused, causing lazy acceleration, rough idle, or rev hang. A simple reset fixes it in under 2 minutes. Ignition on, engine off, floor the gas pedal for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn ignition off, wait 30 seconds, then start and let it idle. Works on almost every modern car and often feels like you just gained horsepower for free. Trick number 5, coast like a pro. Rushing up to every stop and slamming the brakes spikes rotor temperatures past 600 degrees Fahrenheit, causing warping, glazing, and premature pad wear. Consumer Reports data shows aggressive late brakers replace pads 40% sooner and rotors twice as often. Instead, lift off the gas 5 to 10 seconds early and coast. The engine slows you naturally while keeping brake temps low. Your pads and rotors will easily double their lifespan, and you'll save fuel too. Trick number 4, fuel filter test. A clogged fuel filter quietly starves the engine under load, causing hesitation on acceleration and overheating the in-tank pump. If you punch it to merge and feel a stumble, the filter is likely restricted. Replace it every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, or sooner in dusty areas. A $40 part saves a $900 pump. Trick number 3, life-saving brake fluid flush. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air every day. After 2 or 3 years, that moisture lowers the boiling point dramatically, leading to spongy pedal feel and potential ABS failure under hard braking. Flush and replace with fresh fluid every 2 to 3 years. It's cheap insurance for the system that stops 2 tons of metal. Trick number 2, the power of quality plugs. Cheap spark plugs erode fast, misfire, cut fuel economy by up to 30%, and overstress ignition coils and catalytic converters. Stick OEM spec or iridium plugs and change them on the factory schedule. The difference in smoothness, power, and mileage is night and day. Trick number 1, the quarter tank rule. Running below a quarter tank lets the fuel pump pull in hot air instead of cool gasoline, raising pump temperature dramatically and sucking up tank sediment. Pumps in low fuel cars fail 30% sooner. Keep the gauge above a quarter whenever possible. Costs nothing, saves $800 to $1,200 every time you avoid a pump replacement. There you have it, 17 proven habits that separate 150,000-mile cars from true half-million-mile legends. Pick even 3 of these and you'll feel the difference in smoothness, power, and reliability almost immediately. If this video saved you future headaches, drop your current mileage in the comments. I read every one, and let me know which trick you're starting with today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video exposes the biggest oil mistakes quietly destroying engines right now. You don't want to miss it. See you there.